Welcome to my channel. This is Joan of Health, and I'm so happy that you're here. In this video, we explore the best times to weigh and measure yourself when trying to lose weight. Are daily weigh-ins necessary, or should you wait a week? What are the benefits and drawbacks of tracking your progress in this way? Watch now to learn the answer and how to make the most of your weight loss journey. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. During today's module, we're going to go through how often you should weigh and measure yourself and explain the reasons why for each one. So you can weigh yourself monthly, you can weigh yourself weekly, or you can weigh yourself daily. But here's the thing, is that this is actually a personal decision. There's no right answer. It's just what is ever best for you. But once again, I'll give you the pros and cons of each. So if you decide to weigh yourself monthly, this is what I recommend, especially during the weight loss phase, and if you have more than 10 pounds to lose. The reason being is that I want to keep you focused and keep you focused on the tools and the meal plan and not the scale. Because if you stay focused, it will avoid you getting tripped up by all the plateaus and the fluctuations that normally occur during weight loss. And once again, if you focus on the tools that I'm giving you, you're going to lose your weight versus focusing on the scale. Okay? Also, weighing yourself monthly will take away any power that the scale has to determine your mood for the day. So once again, mark it on your calendar when you're going to weigh yourself, and then put your scale away and wait until the next month. Okay? So now we're going to talk about weighing yourself daily. This is the most common after you've lost all of your weight. But here's the thing, is that you need to stay emotionally detached from the daily weight fluctuations. And once again, focus on following the meal plan and not the scale. So weighing yourself daily, I'm going to be honest with you, it can be very counterproductive, because what happens is that you can be, up a couple of pounds one day and then down a couple of pounds, and you won't know why. And it could be because you slept wrong the night before, you're dehydrated, maybe you've got some hormonal activity going on. We don't know. But this can cause you to get agitated and once again be counterproductive and ruin your whole day. So do what's best for you. Okay? So you can also weigh yourself weekly. And this is the best of both worlds, and this is what I recommend actually once you get to goal weight. And once again, this will keep you from being upset of the daily fluctuations that can occur, for, a myriad of reasons. So once again, pick a weigh day and time, put it on your calendar, and keep to it. All right? So when are you going to be weighing and measuring yourself? You're going to weigh yourself on the morning of day 1 that you start the program. So make sure you print up your tracker, and when you weigh yourself, make sure that you've, gone to the bathroom, you haven't had anything to eat or drink, and do your weight, write it into the tracker, and then do your measurements. And then mark on your calendar when you're going to be weighing yourself the next time. Okay? Congratulations on getting this far, and I'll see you on the next module. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.